Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are good and I am very thankful to have such a wonderful family like you, and thank you so much for completing 10k subscribers. So in this video I will provide you VFX pack of Alight motion with XML and present link. Like aim of this video is only 50 likes, so please complete it. The download link is in description, and if you have any problem then comment me, I will give you solution. So like this video and comment and share it. Let's start the video.
Chain, rest in peace to my security. Chain, rest in peace to my security.